my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup look. This look right here. So if you like this, please keep on watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. Hello. I'm going to start off with this moisturizer. It is a gel. It also works as a primer. So let's put that on. Now I'll be grooming my eyebrows. So at first I'll just brush it out. Now I'm just using this soft kajal by Blue Heaven. I just use this because I don't want to use another brow product. So with the other side of the brush, I'll just draw out my brows, as you can see. So we'll do that. I'm really focusing on the tail of the brow because my brows are a bit short, so I tried to make it a little bit longer. Now I'll carve out my brows using this foundation just to give it a nice shape. Excuse my hand. As you can see, I'm just going below the brow and kind of giving it a better shape. I'll also go over the brows, on top of them. Now I'm going on top of them and I'll be blending it out with my finger because, you know, I'm lazy. Now I'm just priming my eyelids with the same foundation. I'll be using this LA Girl Nudes eyeshadow palette. I really like this palette. So I'll be grabbing the matte brown shade. It's a bit pinkish brown, but this is the transition color basically. It's very close to my natural skin color, but it is also nice enough. So I'm just putting that in my crease and taking it down to the lid a little bit. I'm just going to blend it out as well. So I've done both my eyes. Now I'll take this very black kind of color. It is not very pigmented, which is why I use it to deepen my crease. As you can see, I'm just stamping the color on and I'll be blending it out. So I'm just kind of deepening up my crease a little bit so that it has some definition. Now I'm going into this copper color and I'll take it on my finger and just apply it on the eyelids, just in the lids. I like to use my finger because it presses down the shadow more easily. So I'm taking another shade and putting it in my inner corners also with my finger because, like I said, I really like to use my fingers. Now I'll just do the other eye. Now with the brush I'll be doing my under the brows, what is it called, brow bone highlight. This really gives your eye a lot of definition. Now I'll be going in with the same foundation as my concealer. Yes, I do use a foundation as my concealer because I'm broke as hell. But it works, so I'm not very concerned. I'll kind of make a straight line along the eye so that it becomes a little bit more concealed. Like, you know, it becomes a little bit more structured. Go around my lips and my under eye. Now I'll be using a brush to blend it out. I got these brushes from Amazon. They are actually really nice. I will link them down below. Check it out if you like it. I'll take it over my nose as well, but not very much. Now I'll go in with my favorite Maybelline powder. It is also very cheap. It's just to get rid of the shine under the eyes. You know, shiny under eyes aren't very nice. I'll also put the foundation, a little bit of it on my forehead just to, you know, like highlight a little bit. I'm sorry it's all out of focus. My camera isn't the best. I'm going all over my face with the powder. Now I'll take this very pink shade from the eyeshadow palette as my blush. Yes, again, I'm broke. Look at that fake smile. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It's just a hint of pink. It's not strong at all, and that's how I like my blushes. Now I'll go in with mascara. This is the Falsies by Maybelline, I think. Mascara is a nightmare for me. I'm so scared of it. Oh no. Now I'll go in with the same kajal I used on the waterline, just half of it, just to line my eyes a bit, but I'm not taking it very seriously, like just a half of it. Time for highlight. So I'm using this Blue Heaven blush. It's actually very yellow, so it works more as a highlight than a blush. I love this thing. So just highlighting my cheeks and my nose. I really like the nose highlight. Now I'm taking this lipstick by, what is it? Elle18, yes. So this lipstick by Elle18, and I'll just put it on, and it's not very matte, so to make it matte I'll go over with the powder, and then I'm highlighting my cupid's bow, and we're done. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. I've said it already, but I'll say it again. Please subscribe to my channel and share if you like it. Thank you. Bye.